Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I agree.
But like,
Need a haircut. Just got back from my lawyer's office. Looking great. Yeah, I think I'm innocent. Well, I know I'm innocent. I think they'll find me innocent. Not guilty. Scum of the earth. Third F. Yeah, I saw the student who made the first step. The first step of it for $20. Unfortunately, the second step is millions of dollars. So, good luck with that, guys. I saw the Wu-Tang guy. Yeah, you God, soulless maniac. God damn. Say that shit to my face. It's 6 o'clock. I don't have dinner yet. Still have a guard. No. Streets watch over me. Excuse me, sorry. I'm a towering figure in these streets. It's like the buildings behind me. It's a metaphor. Isn't it ironic? Everybody stands on the shoulders of giants. I'm 5'10", actually. And I'll knock your block off if you fuck with me. Got my glasses on. I can't fight like this. To take them off, I'm kind of blind, so. Nah, I'm not stressed. Been stressed my whole life. A weak-ass case doesn't stress me. I don't need any sun, I don't need any sleep. One should not desire to get into a fight. You know what I mean? It's not a good thing. All I'm saying is I will defend myself. Jabroni. I hope Vince McMahon's Secretary of State. Drug prices are only getting higher. Pfizer raised the price of Viagra 15%. You know, you got to keep up with inflation. I'm holding on this cannon. Plus the cow is on me. I'm actually gonna go to the supermarket. Oh, you know what? I can go to this little mini mart thing. Ah. Some milk. There we go. We're grocery shopping. Hi. $15 for 6 beers?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Yeah. How much usually is 6-pack?
It's like that here.
No, I mean like somewhere else.
Well, I don't know. The city is like that, but I don't know.
They say it's usually $7 for 6-pack. This is 15. Can you like knock the price down like a couple dollars?
No. Price is
You want me to sign or no?
No.
Thank you. All right, have a good one. Yeah, she's a hard negotiator. I do charge gorillions of dollars. It's all inflation in general. Elevator freestyle. Here we go. Check me out. Look. Oh. I'm a CEO of a startup technology company, and I'm an investor in various companies. Co-founder, founder. I didn't do a confirmation. As a Christian Catholic, do need in-house counsel. DJ Academics and I, we're getting more friendly, man. He's not telling me to stay out of hip-hop. What's up, Trashy? Hey! What's up? Your friend is home. Doing great financially. I got legal bills, but most of them are covered by legal insurance, which I took out a long time ago. Yeah, everything's good. Just trying to create new, successful companies, that's all. Trashy is the richest cat in America, as far as we know. What's a Grumpy Cat? Grumpy Cat's probably pretty rich. She can't rap though. Alright, all done with the groceries. Alright, what do I do now? Trashy chillin', man. She chillin'. She chillin', right? Hey! Psst, psst, psst. You chillin', right, baby? You want some tuna? Yeah, you want some tuna? I'll get you some tuna. I know you want tuna. Yes? Okay. Oh, you drank all your water, too. What happened? What happened? What? Are you my little trashy baby? Uh-huh. Okay, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Relax. I know you missed me. I've only gone 3-4 hours. You want tuna? You need water too? You need the water? Okay. I'll get you some. Okay. Relax. It's not a game, kitty. It's real fucking life. Trashy, before I feed you, I just gotta tell you something. You're part of my crew, right? We never take L's in our crew. You understand? Never take L's. Okay? Tell me you understand. Oh, you just want this tuna. Okay, whatever. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Charging me on some bullshit. No charges won't stand. That's that bullshit. It is what it is. They charging me because they jealous, because they hate us. We just reviewed the whole case. It's all bullshit. They just want you to plead guilty, you know, to make it all go away. But I ain't holding no else. Fuck that. Fuck that. I wouldn't plead guilty to shit. They could be like, yo, we'll pay you $5 million. Just plead guilty. Nah. Fuck that. I'm old school. Got like tuna smell on my hands. Fucking smells bad. Haven't eaten dinner yet, no. You wanna come over and cook? Fucking gay. You fucking gay. Maybe I'll order Chinese. Let me order some Chinese. Jassy doesn't deserve anything from any restaurant. Jassy deserves to be served in a restaurant. Yeah, I can get some chicken fried rice up in this business.
If you could give me one piece of advice to fix my whole life, what would it be?
Okay, Adam, here's what I would start with.
That timing. What an entrance.
Gonna need about 10 minutes.
I'm gonna ask him if he's gonna do his homework. I don't get that. Why would somebody?
Yeah, people come in and they're like, can you answer this fucking basic question that I can do? And he's like, no, I'm not gonna do your fucking homework for you.
One of these days, somebody's gonna be like, "Hey, how can I make you money?"
That is the question. That is the important question.
My name is Shkreli work. Would you have recommend I insult this guy? He's TSing me really bad. And his name is Strongfinger. And I think I could do something with that, but I need expertise.
Smoke weed, blaze it 420.
Also, all these people who come in and who are like, can I use you as a reference in my interview? And it's like, yeah, okay, you can use me, but I'm going to tell them you suck. Are you kidding me? That's how I got my job. I'm like, am moderator at Martin Shkreli's internet chat room. And they were like,
Gets deported from the United States.
yeah, actually, that's funny. They're like, the people that hired me said that the reason they remembered me and hired me is because they said I just was sick. And I was like, she thought they were like semi. And that's kind of cool. You know, I'm kind of curious. If you put,
To be on the interviews? No.
like, if you actually put, like, if you did your resume and in your list of skills, you put, like, has enormous breasts, I wonder what the actual success rate would be.
That's not a skill.
That's an asset.
It could be a
there were enriching the world by wearing low-cut tops. But yeah, everything that went into that fact is stuff that people literally come in every day to ask.
That's a funny story. Adam got his job doing the same thing. So he's sleeping a little bit.
Yeah. My resume basically just says friend of Mark Shkreli and enormous breasts, and I just get called back all the time.
Insane. What a coincidence.
It's a very successful skill set.
Okay. Somebody renamed, what's his name? Nice Patrick Baderman.
Baderman?
Yeah, man. Roger Wilco is so Patrick Baderman. Not a big sexist. Roger Wilco is a better name.
Wait, why isn't he not getting banned?
Who?
That guy that is that,
Gas lady, your phone is too close to your mic again.
Oh. Are we okay?
No, it's not okay. Stop.
Ah!
Yourself, please.
There
You
you go.
sound like a fucking robot. Fuck this voice.
Sounds like your vocal cords need a hug.
Yeah, I could use a hug in my throat. A
Big
big
hug right down your throat.
Oh God.
I can barely contain myself there. It's like I'm a lover. I got a lot of love to give.
Oh God.
Okay, is it better?
No!
Not better.
How about now?
Let's see if you got the
Outcome was
question.
better.
I don't know what's wrong with my headphones.
I
I think you need some hands-on help. I should head over there.
Using techno. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Yeah, I think you should be in a house coat with no underwear, and I'm gonna come fix your stuff.
What's that
Hugs optional.
Why can't the guy come hook up my cable like that?
Well, I do various calls. I am a handyman. So if you need to, you can schedule an appointment, and I can head over there.
My handyman, a handyman and a hand hugger are not the same thing, Adam.
I'm reading that pregnancy has been socially gendered as feminine.
Martin, this is so incredible.
Hold on.
I don't know what to do with myself.
Get pregnant just to diss them all.
Heterosexism and patriarchy collude to create an expectation of pregnancy for all women. In addition, the bodily production of pregnancy has been socially gendered as feminine because of the association with female-bodied people. These two ideological codes that all women should become mothers through pregnancy and that pregnancy is femininely gendered endeavor suggest conundrums for masculine lesbians.
I want you what you did with Harambe, but I want you to be like, I'm gonna transition to a woman and get pregnant.
Just so because that's what a feminist would do.
My will to live has just decreased a little bit.
Be like, what, all you people who deny, who say that, there's only two genders and you're assigned a gender, like, fuck you all, I'm gonna get pregnant.
If Arnold Schwarzenegger can do it and Mr. Mom, I can do it too.
That's such a bad movie. Oh, it hurts.
The 80s. Oh, I almost heard my voice. I think I almost heard my regular voice for a second.
Okay, wait, we're getting rid of the norm that all women should ignore getting pregnant.
patriarchy, dude. Like, it's an insult to more masculine identifying, lesbians, or at least generally more masculine women. By being pregnant, you're actually gentrifying them, and you're actually making them feel really insecure, and it's something that you need to check your privilege on.
Damn it, Sarah. Check your privilege.
Check your fucking privilege, you first pregnant cunt.
Wow.
Whoa.
He's gonna make a joke about food.
Turkey baster. Put the up there.
I need an adult. I don't think I'm old enough to be here right now.
You're 7 years older than me, motherfucker.
Fucking
I am
chicken.
12. What is this?
You know what Spartans are? You can't be here, I'm sorry. Just tell me your age.
Yeah, my electricity is run by several games here. It's gonna leak. I'm good.
I like how there's somebody named Urugai. Urugai.